Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by narrowing focus to 1 or 2 target roles and the 3 core skills employers care about. Once done, feed your resume, LinkedIn link, and 3 work samples into an AI resume assistant. Next, ask the AI to extract keywords and create a short role-specific summary. This gives you a targeted baseline. Make sure to save the keyword list and a revised 1-paragraph pitch. Now you have immediate inputs to search and outreach with precision. Now automate the middle of the funnel. Feed job descriptions into the AI so it rewrites your pitch and cover messages tailored to each posting. Ask for 3 subject line variations. Once configured, create search alerts on 3 job boards, company pages, and LinkedIn. Then set up an outreach cadence: initial message, gentle follow-up, and a final check-in. Make sure templates reference specific keywords and results and log every contact. This lets you iterate and scale without losing personalization. Finish by preparing for interviews and closing opportunities. Ask the AI to convert your work samples into star stories and common interview answers tailored to the role. Record mock responses, transcribe them, and have the AI suggest phrasing and timing improvements. Once done, create a short 30-60-second closing pitch for final stage emails. If you get no replies, troubleshoot. Broaden your keyword set by 10 to 20%, update templates, and rerun alerts. This small tweak often unlocks new matches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.